Hello friends, today we will be discussing basics of the CC-Link network. CC-Link network basically is a RS-485 network that supports up to 10 Mbps of speed. Up to 64 modules can be connected in a network, and it depends upon the capability of the master module connected. Basically it's a master slave type of network. So in a master, the slave could be a remote IO, it could be intelligent device station or a local device station. We are having two versions of CC-Link. Initially it was only CC-Link version 1, and now we have come with the CC-Link version 2 also. Basically in CC-Link version 2 we have enhanced the data sharing capacity of the network and also reduced the unnecessary data that was being occupied useless. So moving on, a device can be as I said before, can be a remote IO, intelligent device station or a local device station. So a slave station can occupy 1, 2, 3 or up to 4 stations, and one station, I am talking about version 1 only. In version 1, one station occupies 32 bits of RX, the remote IO inputs, and 32 points of remote outputs. And it also occupies 4 remote registers for write and 4 remote registers for read. So irrespective of the data that is being used for that particular remote IO, these points will be occupied. For example, if we are having a remote IO with 32 point input, then these 32 inputs that it is sharing with the master module will be utilized for input indications. Apart from that, it will also occupy 32 RYs and 4 data register for write and 4 data register for read, but they will not be used in the system. Similarly, when the occupied station number is 2, then this sharing capacity will be doubled. Similarly for 3, it will be 3 times, and 4, it will be 4 times. So if a remote IO station or a intelligent device station or slave is having a setting of occupied station 4, then it will occupy 128 points of RX, 128 points of RY and 16 points of write registers and 16 point of read registers. Now moving on to version 2. When we are configuring our system in version 2, then we will be getting this expanded cyclic setting in this version 2 controllers. So in version 2, if the occupied station is similar as version 1, but here we will get the cyclic setting, expanded cyclic setting, through which we can enhance the sharing data. For example, if we are configuring in CC-Link version 2 and occupied station is 1, for single occupancy, this will share 32 points of Rx, 32 points of Ry, 4 points of Rww and 4 points of Rwr. But the difference here will be when we are configuring as a remote IOS, then only Rx and Ry will be occupied and Rww and Rwr will not be used in this version 2 of. For example, if I configure one 32 point input and after that a device station, then for remote IOS these Rx and Ry will be occupied, but Rww and Rwr will not be occupied. So when in station 2 I am configuring a intelligent device station, then its address for Rx and Ry will be same as CC-Link version 1, but its Rww will start from the first point only, as for the first station those points were not occupied. Similarly, if I configure station 1 occupied and this double cyclic setting is double, expanded cyclic setting is double, then Rx Ry will be same, but this Rww, that is the data registers, will be doubled. For quadruple this will be 64 and these data registers will be 16 and 16. And for octuple this will be 128 Rx and Ry and 32 points read registers and 32 points write registers. Similarly, for two stations, occupied station 2 and single cyclic setting, we will be having 64 points for Rx Ry, 8 points for read registers and 8 points for the write registers. and for double it will be 96 points for RXRY, 16 points for RWW and RWR, and similarly these points will be for 4 it will be up to 896 points for RXRY, 128 points for RWW and RWR. In a CC-Link network, this buffer memory for RX and RY are predefined for each stations. Similarly, for RWR and RW, a predefined buffer memory is allocated according to the station number of the remote IOs. In CC-Link network, all the network is being shared from master to the local device station if they are also connected with the network. So this is how the CC-Link version 1 and 2 work. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video.